Unit 2, Lesson 4, Writing Rules for Situations. Understand it. I can find a rule and extend the table given a table of number pairs. Words to know. Addition. For example, 2 plus 6 equals 8. A pair, such as 2 and 8. And a table. This table compares the ages of Alex and Andy. When Alex is 2, Andy is 4. When he is 4, Andy is 10. When Alex is 6, Andy is 12. When Alex is 7, Andy is 13. When Alex is 9, Andy's age is 15.
What is a math rule for the situation? Think about this question during the lesson.
Think about the relationship between Alex's age and Andy's age. If Alex is 2, how many years older is Andy?
What information is shown in the table? Andy's and Alex's ages are shown. Alex and his older brother Andy have the same birthday. If you know Alex's age, how can you find Andy's age?
What's the rule? How did they get from 2 for Alex's age to Andy being 8? How did they get from 2 to 8? How many more?
Look for a pattern in the table and find the rule.
Take some time and think about it.
As they get older, does the difference between Andy's age and Alex's age change or stay the same?
Test your rule. Is it always the same amount more between 2 and 8 than between 4 and 10 and between 6 and 12? If it's the same number more, you might have found your rule.
The number of years between their ages stays the same. Find the rule for the table. Compare each pair of numbers. Look for a pattern. Why do you compare the pairs of numbers? You have to determine whether there is a pattern of getting from one number to the other number.
In other words, how do they get from Alex's age to Andy's age? You could think about it the opposite way as well. How do you get from Andy's age to Alex's age?
How do you get from 2 to 8?
My numbers are getting bigger from 2 to 8, Andy being older than Alex. Therefore, I have to add.
Add 6 to 2 to get 8. In each pair, Andy's age is 6 more than Alex's age. The rule is add 6.
This language, add 6, is very important.
Check that your rule works for all pairs.
Do you notice the +6? What's highlighted in yellow is your rule. It's always the same.
What numbers do you use to write these number sentences? Use the top number and the bottom number from each column in the table.
In other words, where do you start and where do you want to end up? You're finding how much more it is to get from 2 for Alex's age to 8 for Andy's age. Therefore, 2 plus what would get me to 8? How much more? +6. +6 ends up being my rule.
Did the rule add 6 work for each pair? Is this important? The rule works for each pair. This is important because if the rule did not work for all pairs, then it is not the rule.
Therefore, we need to test it.
You have now seen how to write a math rule for a situation.
This situation being the ages of Alex and Andy.